Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MNR KRISHNA. In this session, we are discussing about the remaining 4 questions which are not completed in previous video. The man behind this video is Mr. Sai Sudhir. We have to thank to him. We have to appreciate. He helped me so much. In this session, we discussed about remaining 4 questions. Let's go. Fourth question. Consider the following Verilog code. Here the code is available. Module unknown YABC, output Y, and ABC are the inputs. Assign Y is equals to C, conditional statement with A and B in module. This code implements some output of an half adder with inputs P and Q if. Okay, then let us assume that 2 input half adder. This is the 2 input half adders X and Y. Let us assume X and Y are the inputs 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Outputs are for sum. Here the output of sum is 0 1 1 0. For this we can write the sum in conditional statement, that is it can be written as sum is equals to X conditional with mod Y bar with Y. Here for X is equals to 1 input, here only X is equals to 1 input, 1 is equals to this and this. These are the 2 inputs with X is equals to 1. Here X is equals to 1, the output sum is inverse of Y. 0 of inverse of Y, 0 inverse is 1. For inverse of 1 is 0. So if X is equals to 1, the output will be Y bar. So X is equals to 1, output is Y bar, and X is equals to 0, the output is Y. So X is equals to 0 if X is equals to 1, the output is Y bar. If X is equals to 0, the output will be Y. This is the conditional statement syntax. Here the answers given by the Sai Sudhir were wrong because he done mistake, that is he done a syntax mistakes, that is in conditional statement if X is true, then first element will be satisfied. If X is false, then second element will be satisfied. This is the correct syntax. Then for carry also, here X is conditional with Y is to 0, Y colon with 0, that is a carry. By observing the carries here 0 0 0 1, if X is equals to 1, the output will be Y. If X is equals to 1 1, if X is equals to 1 1, the output is 0 as 0 and 1 as 1. Is it clear, guys? It is clear for that. If X is equals to 0, the output will be, if X is equals to 0, the output will be 0 for 2 inputs. So if X is equals to 1, the output is 1. Y. If X is equals to 0, the output is also 0. Then for fourth question, we have to observe only the sum, that is sum is equals to, this is the Verilog code for Verilog code using conditional statement, that is sum is equals to X conditional with Y bar and Y. Here it is the given code. By comparing these two, we can find the values of a, b and c. First let us assume that, let us take if x is equals to p and y is equals to q. If x is equals to p and y is equals to q, that is here x is equals to p and y is equals to q, then a is equals to, here a is equals to a y bar, y means q, so q bar, and then b is equals to y, y is nothing but q, so b is equals to q, and c is equals to x is nothing but p, so c is equals to p. This is the correct answer, but here the inputs may be changed. If the inputs change, the values also change. If x is equals to q and y is equals to p, just assume the another way. Let us assume the another way. If x is equals to q and y is equals to p, then a is equals to p bar. If x is equals to q and y is equals to p, then a is equals to y bar means p bar, so a is equals to p bar. B is equals to p, b is equals to y is equals to p, so b is equals to p. Then c is equals to x is nothing but q, so then here a is equals to p bar and b is equals to p and c is equals to q is in given options, so we have to select that one, that is B, option B. A is equals to complement of B and B is equals to P and C is equals to P. This is the correct answer. Guys, he done a mistake, that is only the conditional statement syntax. Just replace and then go to the next question, that is fifth question. The code in question 4 implements carry. The given code implements carry. If the given code implements carry, the output of an half adder with inputs p and q. If, okay, then let us go. If carry, for the carry, the Verilog code is x conditional statement with y comma 0. For carry, if the input x is 1, the output is y. Here output of y is 0 1, the output of carry is also the 0 1. If the x is 0, the carry also 0. So if x is 1, it takes y. If x is 0, it takes as 0. It is a given code in question. Y is equals to c condition with a comma b. Let us take first assumption, that is x is equals to p and y is equals to q. Then if x is equals to p and y is equals to q, then a is equals to y. Y is nothing but q. A is equals to q, comma b is equals to 0. Okay, b is equals to 0. Then c is equals to x. X is nothing but p. C is equals to p. Like that, so the second assumption also, if x is equals to q, y is equals to p, then a is equals to y. Y is nothing but p, and b is equals to 0, and c is equals to x. X is nothing but q. So this is the option which is given in question. So we have to select this. That is option, I think option B. Option B. A is equals to p, b is equals to 0, and c is equals to, yes, correct. Then move to the next question. Consider the following Verilog code. Here y is the output, a b c d e f are the inputs. Assign y is equals to e bar, e conditional with, f conditional with, and f conditional. Here it is nested conditional statements is used. The code implements sum. First the code implements sum. Okay, the given code is acts as a sum. Then This is the truth table of half adder using 3 inputs. Let us take y, x, y, z are the inputs the half adder. This is the sum. First we have to divide with the x terminal, that is if x is equals to 0 or 1. Let us take this. If x is equals to 1, the output of sum x is equals to 1, the first sum will take first the sum, then move to the carry is the 7th question. I think it's 7th, it is 6th. So if x condition with 1, in one condition there are 2 possible ways. Those are these are nested condition. So if y is equals to 0 or 1, then if x is equals to 1, this will be taken as the output, and if x is equals to 0, this will be taken as the output. If x is equals to 1, then in that yz there are 4 possible outcomes. Those are 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. In that we have to divide y into 2 parts, that is 0 0 1 1. If y is equals to 1, if x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 1, the output is 1. If x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 1, and if x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 1, then the output of sum is z. So if x is equals to 1, it produces output first element, that is y condition with the z bar. If in that if y is 1, then the output will give z. In that another case is available. If x is equals to 1, this will be selected, and if y is equals to 0, the z bar is selected, that is it is shown here. If x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 0, then the output is same as the output is reversed, that means z bar, that is inverted. 1 is 0. Then if x is equals to 0, this portion will be executed, that is if x is equals to 0, then y is equals to 1. If x is equals to 0, another statement is y is equals to 1, the output is same as z, 0 0 1, reverse, that is reverse, for taking this part. If the y is 1, the output is inverted of z, that is z bar. So z bar, and if y is equals to 0, the output is inverse of same as z. So z will be written here. In given code, y is equals to e condition with, that is written by copying this only, guys. This is copied into that is y is equals to e condition with f condition with d c and f condition with b and a. Here 3 inputs are available. For 3 inputs there are total 8 possible cases available. In that 8 cases, for the given options, the perfect case is written here, that is if x is equals to q and y is equals to r, z is equals to p, then a is equals to, if x is equals to q, just replace it Here x is equals to q, here x is equals to q, and y is equals to r, and z is equals to p. Let us take that. Then by comparing these two equations we get the output, that is a is equals to, where a is equals to z means p, so a is equals to p, and b is equals to z bar means z is equals to p, so z bar is equals to p bar. Then c is equals to z bar means p bar. Then d is equals to z, so d is equals to p, and e is equals to q. Here e is equals to x is nothing but q, and f is equals to r. Here f is equals to y is nothing but r, so f is equals to r. This is the correct option, guys. It is, I think it is also b, or b. Okay, sixth question for a is equals to p, b is equals to complement of b, and c is equals to complement of p, and d is equals to p, e is equals to q, and f is equals to r. Is that correct? It's equals to p bar, p, q bar. Okay, right. Then go to the next question. Guys, if you don't subscribe my channel till now, just subscribe and hit the bell again for supporting me. This is the one what I want. And then move to the next question, seventh question. The code in question 6 implements carry output of a null adder with input p, q, and r if. Okay, then let us, in this we have to take carry for that code. Okay, this is a carry. If x is equals to 1, the first term is selected. X is equals to 1, the first term is selected, that is in that y. If y is equals to 0, the output will be 1. Y is equals to 0, y is equals to 1, the output will be 1. Y is equals to 0, that is if x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 0, the output is same as z, 0 for 0, 1 for 1, so we have written as z. And if x is 0, and y is 1, then output is same, so output is same, and y is, and x is 0 and y also 0, then output is 0. 0 is written as 0 and 1 also written as 0, so it is the code for carry. Then the given code is written here the same. By comparing these two equations we get the outputs. If x is equals to q, y is equals to r, z is equals to p. In this also we have 8 possible outcomes. In that we have selected this combination only, because by using this combination only we get the perfect result as compared to the options for given question. That is, if x is equals to q, y is equals to r, z is equal to p, a is equals to 0 here. Okay, right? A is equals to 0, b is equals to z means p, then c is equals to z means p, d is equals to 1, and e is equals to x means q, and f is equals to y means r. That's it, guys. Then the result is 0 p 1 q r, 0 p 1 q r. The C, option C is the correct answer. That's it, guys. Mr. Sai Sundar, I appreciate you, because if you only I made this video. From you I got the logic. You done a great job. Then subscribe my channel and share the videos to your friends and support me, guys. Mm, that's it. Thank you.